Fowler, and I am the Talent and Development Manager here at Birmingham Corps. And today we got a chance to work with Derek Lovett in the MC Life for first session in Talent Navigator, which was defining those professional goals. And with us today, we have one of our participants, Ebony Fowler, and she wants to share more about her experience.
So first I want to say thank you to Ashley. She's actually my cousin and she invited me to this program. And I was a little bit hesitant at first, but after sharing all the information that she did with me and getting here, I'm so excited that I was able to come. I'm in the transition period, and so just learning a little bit more about in-depth goal setting and really planning and preparing for the future has been amazing. The class is awesome. I would encourage more people to sign up. I'm not sure what another session is or if anything is available, but this has been awesome and I can't wait to go and share what I've learned with others.
Today we did strategic goal setting, and what I took from it, I gained a lot of insight about manifestation, what short-term goals, long-term goals, and ancillary goals were. And I gained the insight about how to, because I'm not in school right now, but I will be enrolling myself back into school hopefully in the fall, and I've learned that I need to refocus. Manifestation, need to write things down, stand on what I'm going to say I'm going to do, and do it at the time I'm going to say I'm going to do it.
We did the strategic planning and I thought that it was a great experience. I came for this experience because I thought that it was a good eye-opener for endless opportunities and just endless things that I can see myself in as far as short-term and long-term. And I learned a lot today, so thank you.
Mrs. Lovett. I would like to share that the program so far is excellent. This is my first class in 2024. I was a little bit reluctant to coming because I thought that I knew how to set goals and how to create those steps to obtain those goals. But I will say that Mr. Lovett brought a totally different perspective. It was refreshing. I'm excited about the next class, next Friday. And to top it off, we were provided with hands-on interactive games today that drove his points home, and he was very effective. He and his wife were very effective in articulating their objectives today and actually showing us how things would work if we kind of allowed ourselves to be hands-on.